Turkish government in July announced a competition for domestic manufacturers to develop the turbofan engine for the country's eventual fifth-generation fighter. Two Turkish engine makers, TR Motor and TUSAS Engine Industries, were the first to sign up to compete. This announcement marks the latest update surrounding Ankara's TAI TF-X stealth, twin-engine all-weather air superiority fighter. The TAI TF-X is a stealth twin-engine all-weather air superiority fighter in development by Turkish Aerospace Industries and B Systems as its subcontractor. The aircraft is planned to replace F-16 Fighting Falcons of the Turkish Air Force and to be exported to foreign nations. TAI CEO Temel Kotil stated that the TFX will be unveiled by March 23, 2023 and make its maiden flight by 2025. The fifth-generation fighter jet will possess superior stealth and attack capabilities. It is expected to meet the nation's air combat requirements until 2070. On the 15th of December 2010, Turkey's Defense Industry Executive Committee decided to design, develop, and manufacture a national next-generation air superiority fighter which would replace Turkey's F-16 fleet and operate with other critical assets like the F-35 Lightning II. In 2011, Turkey's Undersecretariat for Defense Industries, the procurement agency for the Turkish Armed Forces, signed an agreement with TAI for the conceptual development of basic capabilities. The Turkish Aerospace Industries and TUSAS Engine Industries would lead the design, entry, and development processes of the fighter jet. The studies would reveal the cost of the fighter while investigating which mechanical and electronic systems would be employed and included, and a wider perspective of the opportunities and challenges in military aviation. Funding equivalent to US $20 million was allocated for a 2-year conceptual design phase performed by the Turkish Aerospace Industries. The TFX concepts all share basic intended fifth-generation fighter qualities, including a combination of blended and faceted surfaces, stealthy skin coatings, and an active, electronically scanned array radar facility. Regardless of engine make and model, the concept is determined to showcase supercruise capabilities and reaching the speed of sound, sans the use of thirsty afterburner. The fifth-generation aircraft will integrate a stealth fuselage made of advanced carbon composites. Its aerodynamic design will further enhance the high-speed abilities of the aircraft. It is primarily designed to serve air-to-air combat requirements. Its sleek design and unique features will enable it to be used for air-to-surface roles too. The aircraft will offer a high degree of situational awareness, advanced weapon systems, sensor fusion techniques, and low observability. Interoperable capability with other fighter jets such as the F-35A will make it suitable for joint operations. All told, the TFX concept will be similar in scope to the F-22 as an air dominance fighter with internal bays outfitted with both short and medium-ranged homing or guided ordnance. On the 20th of January 2015, Turkish Defense Corporation headquartered announced that it had signed a memorandum of understanding with Eurojet, the manufacturer of the EJ-200 engine used in the Eurofighter Typhoon. The announcement also stated that a derivative of the EJ-200 will be used in the TFX program. However, in May 2017, Rolls-Royce established a joint venture with the Kale Group of Turkey to develop and manufacture engines for the project. The aircraft will feature 2 engines with a thrust rating of more than 20,000 pounds each. The power plant will enable the fighter jet to fly at a maximum altitude of 55,000 feet. The aircraft will have a maximum speed of Mach 2 and a combat radius of 600 nmi.